National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Old Forest to University Park to Pewtown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Merrillville, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Whiting, Winfield, New Chicago, and Lake Dalecarlia. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 20. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 242 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Indiana Motor Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Rail Cats Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm